What's up guys? Welcome back to Johnny Drinks. For today guys, papakita ko sa inyo paano gumawa ng cocktail na out of sight. Ano ba ang cocktail na to guys? Quick information lang guys. Kung alam nyo ang brand na Bacardi is every year, ang brand na Bacardi may ginagawa silang competition na every country is merong representative. Kasali tayo dyan guys, ang Pilipinas. Pero for the last 2 years, Thailand ang nanalo sa competition na to guys, beer. So itong gagawin natin cocktail guys, is ito yung recipe or cocktail na ginawa ni Khun Poknarasha na nagpanalo sa kanya sa competition. So ano pang iniintay nyo guys? Let's make some cocktails guys. For the glass is, kailangan natin ng cocktail glass or Coupe Glass. Let's put some ice. First ingredients guys is sugar syrup guys. For original recipe, ang ginamit ng sugar syrup dito guys is agave syrup. Or ano ba ang agave guys? Ang agave guys is isang type of plant na kamukha ng pinya. Pag titingnan nyo guys, is mukha talaga siyang pinya pero hindi siya kapamilya ng pinya. At ang agave guys is, ito ang pinaka main plant para makaproduce ng tequila at mezcal. So today, ang gagamitin ko lang is sugar syrup kasi wala akong agave syrup. Let's put syrup for around 15 ml. And next is pineapple juice guys. Kung meron kayong fresh pineapple, pwede nyong ilagay sa cocktail guys tapos i-muddle nyo. Mas better yon guys. Kaso wala kasi yung fresh pineapple for now. Gamitin ko lang guys is concentrated pineapple juice. And yogurt guys. For yogurt, kahit anong klaseng yogurt pwede nyo namang gamitin dito guys. Zero fat, low fat. Kaya natin guys is around 1 tablespoon. The next is basil leaves guys. Lagay natin is around 5 to 7 leaves guys. Have a quick clap or press para lumabas yung aroma. And next is lime or lemon juice guys. So since guys, nilagyan natin siya ng yogurt, na ang yogurt is meron siyang acid at medyo sour siya, ang ilalagay lang natin na lemon or lime is konti lang guys para hindi siya masyadong over acidity or masyadong sour. Ayun lang naman kasi importante dyan guys, pag gagawa kayo ng cocktail is lahat ng ingredients nyo is balance. Meron lang kayong sweetness, meron kayong sourness, alcohol, tas flavoring. Lagay natin is around 15 ml or half ounce guys. And of course is alcohol. Ang gagamitin kong alcohol dito guys, or ang ginamit na alcohol dito is Bacardi. Any brand of rum pwede nyo gamitin dito guys. Lagay natin is 2 ounce. And let's put some ice. Let's shake our cocktail guys for around 8 to 12 seconds. Then strain natin guys. Double strain natin guys. For garnish is lagyan natin ng basil leaf guys. Here we go guys, out of sight cocktail, tikman natin. Creaminess is on my side. If you find this video helpful, and if you want to see more videos on how to make drinks, cocktails, mocktails, and learn about bar, please don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. Maraming salamat po. Cheers!